Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drain coolant from your Hyundai Accent. Before you begin, safety is paramount. Always make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch to prevent severe burns from hot fluid or steam. Gather essential tools such as a large drain pan, a suitable wrench, and always wear safety glasses. Remember, engine coolant is toxic, so avoid skin contact and ensure proper disposal of the old fluid. Now, let's get to draining. First, locate and carefully remove your radiator cap. Next, find the radiator drain plug, also known as a petcock, which is typically found on the bottom of the radiator, often on the passenger side. Position a large drain pan, capable of holding at least 7 quarts, directly underneath the drain plug. Slowly open the plug or carefully detach the lower radiator hose to allow the old coolant to drain completely. After the old coolant has fully drained, securely close the radiator drain plug. Now, fill your radiator completely with distilled water through the radiator cap opening. Start your engine and let it run until it reaches its normal operating temperature, allowing the thermostat to open. Once warm, turn off the engine and let it cool down completely for at least 30 minutes before proceeding to drain the water again. Continue the flushing process by repeating the previous steps until the water draining from your radiator runs completely clear. This ensures all old coolant and contaminants are removed. Also, take this time to clean out your coolant reservoir tank. Before refilling, double-check that all drain plugs and hoses are securely tightened. Finally, prepare your new coolant by mixing it with distilled water to achieve a precise 50-50 ratio, as recommended for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.